Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can open multiple accounts with SoFi. The straightforward answer is no, you cannot open multiple individual checking and savings accounts with SoFi. You are limited to one individual account, which is a combined checking and savings account. However, you can also have a separate joint checking and savings account with another person. This means you could have your own individual account and a joint account with a spouse or partner, but you cannot have two separate individual accounts. It's also important to note that this policy applies to the SoFi bank accounts, which include the checking and savings product. This limitation does not apply to other SoFi products, such as investment accounts, where you can open different types of accounts like a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, or a regular brokerage account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.